Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is August the 2nd. Out here on our first and only job of today. I went and did an in-home consultation today, this morning in the Chateau Lawn area. Went well, screening Recoat UV Cure. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, this is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Hodges. They found me online and watched some of my videos. Had other companies told them that they had to replace the floors. And we hear that all the time. And in cases like this, no, you don't have to replace the floors. I also got two of my students out here, a father and son team. Bobby, he's one of my students and also a part of my Truman's affiliate program, where I help them market and brand their wood floor services, wood floor maintenance services. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so today is a Saturday. The rain just stopped, perfect timing. And these are some engineered floors. And I remember when I came out and Miss Hodges told me, she said, Courtney, I don't care what it costs, just get this stuff off my floor. So guys, if you look really close, you can see where most of the time you can tell where people had wax, because they usually go around the furniture. And when you start seeing all those scuff marks, see all that? See all up in here? See how the floors look foggy? See those scuff marks? That's wax or some type of residue on the floor, and that's what we specialize in, is removing this stuff. Here, the office, they got all the furniture moved out. See all this, guys? So if you see your floors looking like this, there's a high chance you have some type of acrylic wax on your floors. She was using Bona. She said, Courtney, I was using Bona, and the floors are just foggy. So anyway, there's my father and son team. That's Bobby. And Bobby, what's your son's name again? Lakeem. So Bobby and Lakeem. Bobby is setting Lakeem up for the wood floor maintenance. Again, Bobby has been a part of one of my students for about a few years, and they're based out of Alabama. So you see, guys, here. So what Bobby is also doing, he's also showing Lakeem the difference, how we can identify if it's wax on the floors. And you can see all this, guys. Huge difference. I mean, it's going to be a huge difference, but you can just see all that residue on the floor. So we're going to go ahead and get this stuff off. And also, Miss Hodges actually saw that I do countertops, so we're also going to do their countertops. They feel real gritty, got a lot of water deposits on it. So we're gonna get these countertops looking good. So this is gonna be a nice project, guys. And they're also gonna do the UV cure. So we're gonna go ahead and get started and come back, show you guys some results. All right, guys, got a father and son team. This is one of my students. This is Mr. Bobby. That's his son, Lakeem. He is setting his son up for success. Told his son this wood floor maintenance is a great service to offer. And we are out here doing an engineered floor. We're gonna recoat it, UV cure it. We're also gonna do the countertops. Again, this is motivation. This job is close to $5,000. And we will be done today, probably between 5 and 6 o'clock. Bobby's been one of my students for what, about 2 years now?
Yep, about 2 years.
Yep. He also joined my affiliate program to help with this marketing for his wood floor maintenance services, and really loving it. So yep. How is Lakeem, Bobby?
27.
27. Good age to get started. Father and son team, guys. What I'm doing is about to show my client the wax coming off the floors, and let her sit right here. This is a prime example. Look at this. Look at that wax come off your floors. Look at, yes, ma'am. That's Bobby. That's one of my students. That's his son. Okay. And then my guy Aaron, he's on the way as well. Okay. Yeah, to show you all that wax coming off the floor. So sit. So if you come back here where I am, you can see all that wax that we haven't got. Cause we still working in the kitchen area. Yeah. And you can see that huge difference right there. Oh, wow. Yep. Yes, ma'am.
So now we know not to do that ever
don't
again.
Yeah, don't do that ever again. And I'll show you what to use on your floors before we leave.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yep, so that's all. You said it was Bona?
Yeah.
Bona, yep. I was showing Mr. Bob. We just got through it. I just did half and half of this kitchen island, and this is perfect lighting. So look at the lights here. This is the part I have not done. Now watch this, guys. Look at that. See how you can see the light better? Now also even look at the light right here. See right here? Now watch when I move it. See how it dulls out? Because I haven't done any of this yet. Look at that huge difference. Watch when I go back into the light. Look at that. Wow. I gotta call my client up. And also, if you look really close, you can see all that smudge and residue all on the countertops. See all right there? And then we go back over here, crystal clean. Look at that. Huge difference than Mr. Bob.
Huge difference. Huge difference.
Even look at the light from the window. See how it does down? Now watch this. Look at that. Guys, we are making some great progress. We got the wax removed. As you can see, remember when we first came in, you can see all the scuff marks in the floors. Then we screened the floor. Now we're cleaning, tacking the floor. And we're vacuuming the floor. All right. All right, guys. Stay tuned. But yeah, man, took all that wax off. Cause your wife was telling me too, she had like another company or two come out and they both told her to replace the floors.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I'm like,
yeah.
no.
Yeah, I'm like, $30,000, no, that's not what happened.
Thank you. Yeah, $30,000. And we came in here, took this wax off, and then we about to put you a new coat on. Yes, sir. Got them countertops done too.
Now, as far as keeping it clean, I mean, how would...
I'm gonna show you what to keep it clean with. Yes, sir. Yep. So you remember you could tell where the rug was?
Yeah.
You can't see it no more because when she was waxing it, she was going around the rug.
Well, I would.
Oh, you were? Okay. Oh, that's why you paying for it. Yeah. Yeah, she said, you better get these floors back. It really is. This is almost like he was T-bar. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, and he don't like T-bar too. I don't like T-bar. When I first heard this method, wall to wall, I always get a guy shot named Patrick Russell. Oh, he's a bad boy too. Talking about craftsmanship, he is a bad boy. That's where I got it from. Yeah, I'm going wall to wall. And also dipping too. Yeah, Recoat going down slowly too. Yeah, I want to put that down. Guys, we just got back. We went to old Waffle House, had some late breakfast, and man, we just got back. Aaron's doing a few touch-ups. He accidentally left some footprints right by the door, so he's touching those up now. But guys, these floors look amazing. So I just called my client to come take a look, and what we're gonna do is start UV curing in probably 15-20 minutes. And guys, just to show you when you know you got a good adhesion, Aaron just knocked down a few of these boards and it powder up, and what he's gonna do is feather another light coat back on those areas. But I just called my client up, and the floor, what y'all think? Looking good? You notice ain't no more of those scuff marks and those micro scratches? Yep. Yep, and your countertops. Yes, ma'am. And what I did, I put a semi-gloss on there. Because I figured since your husband was putting a boner, that let me know that you want to shine.
Yeah.
So we want a semi-gloss.
Yeah.
Okay.
Semi-gloss,
Yeah.
not high gloss.
Yeah, not high. I don't do high gloss either way. I do matte, satin, and semi-gloss. Yep. All right, guys. Floor is looking good, looking good. So Aaron is doing the correction right there. Aaron just doing a little correction. No, it's still wet over there, but over here. So he's just doing a little correction.
Okay.
So had a few footprints. So he just knocked them down and just put another little coat.
Okay.
Yep. So we're gonna start UV curing in about 15, 20 minutes. So we'll probably be done in about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yep. Yep. It's just debris just came in. You can walk over here if you want to. You come over here. Yep, he's down the room. So you see when he's doing the correction, he's going with the whole length of the board. Yep. Perfect. And you can look in there as well. All right, guys. Happy clients. All right, I'm gonna start UV curing, like I said, in about 15, 20 minutes. Guys, that is going to do it. Countertops done. Floors done. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that glare, guys. So we did the clean, buff, polish, and seal on the countertops. Wax removal, screen of recoat, and UV cure on the floors. And just go back to the beginning of the video. You see all that residue on the floors. Shout out to my guys. Came through. Father and son team. Bobby, his son, Latrice. I think Latrice. And then my guy, Aaron, who's going to be helping one of our other network partners next week on a, on a job. I just booked my 5th appointment for tomorrow. Not for tomorrow. I'm not working tomorrow. Next week, screen and recoat, UV cure, countertop. So I am booked out 5 days. I think I'm just gonna work 5 days next week. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Another happy client. Floors look amazing. Instead of paying $30,000, they probably paid about 15%. And had the floors restored, and they look great and got some great protection. All right, guys, see you in the next one.